The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G is a mid-range smartphone that offers flagship-level features at an affordable price point. Here's an overview of its key specifications and features. Display design, screen, 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution, 2712 x 1220 pixels, offering vibrant colors and sharp visual. Refresh rate, 120 Hz for smooth scrolling and gaming experiences. Durability, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus and rated IP54 for splash resistant. Performance processor Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 chipset built on a 4nm process, providing efficient performance. RAM storage options include 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB or 512 GB of internal storage. Operating system MSY 14 based on Android. Camera system main camera, 200MP sensor with optical image stabilization OIS and electronic image stabilization EIS for clear and steady shots. Additional lenses, 8MP ultra-wide camera, 2MP macro camera. Front camera, 16MP for high-quality selfies. Battery charging, battery capacity 5,100 mAh, designed to last throughout the day. Wise charging, supports 67W turbocharging, capable of charging the device to 50% in approximately 15 minutes. Connectivity, additional features, 5G support, ensures fast internet speeds and future-proofing. Fingerprint sensor, in-display fingerprint sensor for secure unlocking. Audio, dual Dolby Atmos speakers for immersive sound. The color options, midnight black, aurora purple, glossier blue. Pricing availability. The Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G is available through various online retailers. Prices may vary based on region and retailer. It's advisable to check local listings for the most accurate pricing and availability in your area.